Can isfile and isdir functions both evaluate to false? Is it possible for a file f that os.path.isfilef and os.path.isdirf both evaluate to false? What would a third category be named in this case? Scenario. I have created a contentless file using Touch on Ubuntu 18.04, which definitely is not a directory. Python, version 3.5, nevertheless returns false on isfilef. Edit. It turns out that the file indeed returned true. The earlier output was a small mistake in my code. The question still remains as I thought about it this way. I have a set A, of all files in a directory. I create a subset via isfile filtering, set B. I create a subset via isdir filtering, set C. Would the union of B and C be equal to A?
Is it possible for a file f that os.path.isfilef and os.path.isdirf both evaluate to false? Yes, if you ask for existence os.path.existsf. Edit. To answer your more detailed question. Would the union of B and C be equal to A? Normally yes, if you can assert that none of them is deleted in the meantime. Take into account that dead links are not exists, which means that os.path.exists dead link of A, existing, link pointing to a dead end results in false while os.path.isLink dead link results in true, no matter if it points to an existing object or a dead end.